Hi viewers, so in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Pop Marvel Cyclops vinyl Bobble-Head. So this is what the box looks like. As you can see at the top you've got the Pop Marvel logo, and as Cyclops is from the Marvel Universe, you've got the Marvel logo, and he's number 58. There he is, the box. And you got a picture of him popping in from the side, and at the bottom it says his name, Cyclops. Vinyl Bobble-Head, written in English and a couple of other languages. And on this side, you've got the Pop Marvel logo again, and his name, Cyclops. Number 58. Another picture of him popping in from the bottom. And on the back, you got the Pop Marvel logo again, as well as the Marvel logo. Number 58, and his name again, Cyclops. Then you got all the collection that you can get. So you got Professor X, Cyclops, which is the one I got, Storm, Colossus, Mystique, and Magneto. And of course these are all X-Men. It says collect them all. Another little Marvel logo. Another picture of him popping in from the side. And then on this side, Pop Marvel logo. A whole complete picture of him, with his name, Cyclops, and number 58. If you look on the top, there's a little picture of him popping in from the bottom, and the Pop Marvel logo again. Then the price tag, because I got this from Forbidden Planet Bristol, and it cost me $9.99. If you look on the bottom, just the usual Funko logo, and their Facebook page, and their Twitter. Alright, so I'm going to go and open them up and get them out of the box. As you can see, he's in like this plastic tray, so I need to get him out of this so you can see what he looks like properly. So this is what he looks like out of the box on the plastic packaging. As he is a Bobble-Head and not just a vinyl figure, his head bobbles up and down. As you can see, Cyclops is dressed in his blue and yellow X-Men outfit, which he wore in the comic books and on the animated TV series. So I think this is the outfit most people identify him with. As you can see, his eyes are covered over by his yellow visor, and his brown hair is styled into a parting. So this was the best Cyclops I could find. but unfortunately there's still a few paint problems. As you can see, there's a bit of blue on his yellow visor, a bit of yellow on his face. But I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the Pop Marvel Cyclops vinyl Bobble-Head. If you did, don't forget to click on like. Also, don't forget to click on subscribe, because there will be some more videos coming soon. In the description box there will be links to my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter accounts, as well as a link to my second YouTube channel, so go and check those out. Until next time, that's all for now.